Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Dear viewers, I hope you are all well and healthy. Today's discussion is extremely important: how you can control your blood sugar or diabetes in just 7 days. This is not a fantasy, it is a scientific and proven method. Our country's renowned physician, Dr. Jahangir Kabir Sir, through years of research and experience, has presented a simple, correct, and effective method. By following this rule, a diabetic patient can bring his blood sugar to a normal level in just 1 week, Sha Allah. What is diabetes and why is it dangerous? Diabetes is a metabolic disorder in which the level of glucose or sugar in the blood rises abnormally. The main reason is that the body cannot properly use the hormone insulin or cannot produce enough insulin. If diabetes is not controlled, many major complications arise, such as eye problems and blindness,
kidney failure,
nerve damage, heart disease and stroke, gangrene in hands and feet leading to amputation. Therefore, it is not just a disease, but a silent killer that slowly pushes towards death. Limitations of conventional treatment. Generally, doctors give insulin or medicine to diabetic patients. But these never solve the root problem. Because the main enemy of diabetes is excessive carbohydrate intake and lifestyle imbalance. Medicines only lower blood sugar levels, but do not eliminate the real cause of the disease. As a result, patients take medicine for years but never achieve true health. Here lies the difference in Dr. Jahangir Kabir Sir's method. He shows the way to remove the root cause. Dr. Jahangir Kabir Sir's principles. According to Sir, 3 things are essential to control diabetes: food control, choosing the right food, intermittent fasting or eating at specific times, adequate water, sleep, and physical activity. By following these 3 rules, insulin resistance decreases, cells begin to use insulin, and blood sugar becomes normal. 7-day step-by-step plan. Day 1. Awareness and start. From today, completely stop sugar, sweets, rice, bread, potatoes, bananas, sweet fruits. Instead, eat eggs, fish, chicken, meat, vegetables, pulses, and nuts. The first task after waking up in the morning will be to drink a glass of water.
skip breakfast,
Eat only at noon and night. Day 2. Adjusting the body. This day the body may feel weak without carbohydrates. Do not be afraid. Drink plenty of water, at least 2.5 to 3 liters a day. Lunch. Plenty of vegetables with eggs or meat. Dinner. The same type of food, but not excessive. Do not eat any snacks. Day 3. Insulin resistance begins to decrease. From this day, the body will slowly begin to break down fat. Those who are overweight should do light walking on an empty stomach. Lunch. Salad, meat, eggs, or fish, anyone. Dinner. Light meal. Sugar-free green tea may be taken.
Day 4. Energy returns.
Energy will return to the body. Many will be surprised that even with so little food, the body does not feel weak. Excess water will be flushed out of the body, so weight will start to drop quickly. On this day, you can eat good fats with vegetables, such as coconut oil, ghee, olive oil. At night, a bowl of vegetable soup can be eaten with light food. Day 5. Blood sugar returns to normal levels. By this time, many will see that their blood sugar has dropped significantly. Insulin will almost start working normally. Keep the same food schedule. Twice a day, no snacks. Drink plenty of water. Sleep properly, 7 to 8 hours at night. Day 6. The body fully adjusts. Now the body will fully adjust to the new system. This day the body will feel light and refreshed, and energy will feel much increased. As no carbohydrates are eaten, blood sugar will not rise. Diabetic patients themselves will notice that frequent urination, fatigue, these problems have decreased.
Day 7. Sugar control and new life.
From this day, blood sugar will return to a completely normal level, Inshallah.